my channel! For today's episode, I will be making our family classic cheesy beef caldereta. This beef stew is really good to serve for this coming holiday season. If you want to know how to make this classic cheesy beef caldereta, please continue watching and I will show you how to do it. Let's start by marinating the washed beef short ribs with ground pepper, soy sauce, pineapple juice, Worcestershire sauce, then mix, and then add the pickled relish, and then cover and put in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour or better overnight. Let's wash the beef liver and rub with salt and then soak with the milk in 15 to 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, I wash the beef liver and then chop. I leave some chunks for textures. After chopping the beef liver, I marinate also with pineapple juice, pepper, soy sauce, and bay leaves for 2 hours, like the short ribs. After 2 hours, I pan fry the marinated beef liver and season with freshly ground pepper and bay leaves. When it's almost done, the beef liver, I put oyster sauce for added umami taste. In a bigger pan, I pan fry the bell peppers, potatoes, and carrots, enough to cover with oil. After pan-frying the vegetables, I added margarine. I used the Filipino star margarine, but you can also use butter. I saute the garlic until aromatic, followed by the onions until translucent. Season with freshly ground pepper and salt. Then add the tomato paste, but you can also use ripe tomatoes. Then I added the tomato sauce. I simmer for 3 to 5 minutes in low heat. You should stir first the mixture before adding the marinated beef short ribs. I add beef cubes to enhance the beefy flavor. I also added Chinese sausage, but you can also use the chorizo de Bilbao, then cover. Lower the heat and continue braising the beef for 2 hours without opening.
Wow, looks good! Let's try it! Ay, malambot na! After 2 hours!
When the pan-fried potatoes and carrots are already soft, add the olives. I use Kalamata olives, and if you don't have this, you can also use green peas and garbanzos. Then add the pan-fried beef liver that we set aside a while ago, followed by the pan-fried bell peppers. And I taste, and to balance the flavor, I'm adding brown sugar. And to add kick of spice, I add chili flakes. You can also add siling labuyo or hot sauce. And to make this beef caldereta festive and cheesy, I'm adding Edam cheese or queso de bola. And to extend the life of my special beef caldereta, I'm adding vinegar. Remember not to stir the mixture. Allow the sour odor evaporate first. Okay? And to enhance the tangy flavor of this stew, I'm adding couple tablespoon of calamansi juice. You can also use red wine if you have. Balance the flavor. Social caldereta. Promise, it's really good. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching!